Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as Israel speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. Also, I have some announcements. Okay. One, there are readings being uploaded, but they need to get published, and those are timeless. And as per the timing or as per the calling, I'm going to do so. Okay. Also, I'm really happy, content with the changes that I'm doing. I'm still going to experiment and all that. I got positive feedback as well. So thank you for being part. You may support the channel if you want to via PayPal. Link is available also in India, definitely, but it's unified. So Bheem ID is there, which is UPI Bheem. You may do so via that as well. Okay. From India, a lot can, because people ask, so you people can do from that place. Okay, I'm lost. Someone is lost in your thoughts. I can assure you that. Okay, and this could be someone who is obsessing over you, but you may not be aware. Okay, the reason is that someone been hiding their whatever they're feeling. Okay, now the problem is that maybe you dealt with this person, like history connects. Okay, not necessary. If this is totally new in the territory, still it's unknown. Okay, you don't know. That's why you don't know. Now the thing here is someone is obsessing over, they want to talk to you. I can tell you that we're going to see from cards, but yes, something is happening at home, your home, HOME, the home where you live, the home where warmth is, the home where people connect. If you live away from your home in another city or maybe even far, more than that, your home is calling you. Okay, your place is calling you. I am also hearing the word recollect, RECOLLECT. Maybe you need to recollect something or to recollect memories you are going to visit your home city, if that makes sense, if it is for you, or someone feels like home is calling you. Maybe from family, maybe you're visiting family, um, maybe in the same place, city, you know, your your hometown. Basically, they're saying again and again, they're emphasizing on home. So maybe hometown, home, where your the town is. Okay, so simple. Something to be recollected. Is it? It's also money. Something is going to be okay. Received, something that you're going to receive. Okay, but it's also more of like from family member. Someone is going to give you something, someone is going to write something for you, and it's finance, it's money more, like, and literally pick up on those green or whatever the currency in the color is. But yeah, there is someone who is obsessing over. Apart from this, someone is also recollecting old memories. So maybe history connects and it's romantic, or wars, or someone is just coming around. This is very interesting because this is arrival. Okay, this is going to be sudden arrival. What's wrong? There's a whole matter here which is going in circles. Pause, speed breaker, speed, then speed breaker, then pause. Something is happening like that. But there is arrival. There is someone who is, I don't know for whom this is, but I kind of felt as if like something, like it's outside. My windows are closed, my curtains are there. I felt as if like a shadow, okay? But from outside, as if like something crossed, as if like someone is going to cross your life. It's basically crossing paths, but not to give negative thing. It's to cross paths, to switch talks with. I don't know for how many this is, like as of like this person is coming around to give commitment, and that's why I said not for all. Okay, some of you are going to gain something, like money wise gain is there, but someone is coming around. Look, home, Four of Wands, very interesting. Work, project, next project you're going to receive. Okay, I feel like you've been waiting patiently for something to give you results. but I also kind of get this energy with the Knight of Wands, especially. I do want it to come out again because I get this feeling of something that is very, it's full of eagerness, curiosity, craving, arrival. Maybe you are going to be going on a new curious, like, your journey, but I do get this, and I may little bit get in the break of my speech because I feel that someone is arriving. They're obsessing over you. Could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, someone is coming. Also, you're going to receive a check, paycheck, but also bonus or some funds. Something is going to be written. There's also this Taurus or Capricorn energy. Could be younger than you, and this could be anyone from your family. It's a home call as well, I'm telling you that. Let's see what is coming. If I'm going to feel comfortable recording this sort of, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to continue, but you may see my readings in the mid of vertical as well. However, this suits me and suits the decor aura. Let's see what is coming. Aquariuses. Something is going to happen here. It is about communication, but it's also about unexpected communication. It is about also cross. And I kind of get this energy as if like it's again to recollect. It's something connected with your history, with the person, okay? It is about the cross that I was talking about. It is about after the no contact and after your phases, your individual phases, but this is like someone obsessing over to reconnect with you. But this you might be feeling in the like of a no contact. Um, what? Okay, for some time I've been visited by big cats. Yes, the ferocious ones, the wild ones. Okay, in messages and visions, and I just saw jaguar. I mean, I heard it, and I sort of like saw it, kind of. Okay, so you have this the Tar, unexpected, courageous jump, arrival, change. Okay, so if it's like silence right now, you're going to cross paths. It's kind of a silent mode, but crossing paths. This can happen um, in the notification when you see it. That it's kind of like a signal, but you don't know exactly what that is. Okay, someone you may see in your stories, views, okay, viewers, um, but not exactly telling you that I like you, but leaving a mark there, channeling something, signaling something to you. Um, you know what is required here is honest approach to break this silence, but right now it's in this. So maybe you're coming from this place of silence or no contact, emotional no contact. Okay, we're going to see and project this person's energy. This is something sudden that is going to happen. You're not even, you never prepared for this to happen. I mean, this is what surprise is from universe, as we say. Like you're on the go, you're moving, you're doing your stuff and everything, and then it's something connected with digit 3. Something came in, someone is with someone, but someone is won't be with someone. Something is, this person's projection is like something hit them and it awakened them in a very confusing way. Okay, this person is right now having unexpected changes, and you need not to know possible. Okay, you need not to know because you don't know, because you people are not talking. So what changes they might be going through is just a projection of like someone is into quarrel mode or fight mode with someone they are with right now, or let's just say that you people are to you're single, they're single, kind of, but still you people are not talking, but there is a history that is there that I see. Okay. So there is someone who is obsessing over. Someone who is obsessing over to reconnect with you, possible. I just heard the word culture. It's all about different cultures. Okay, lifestyles, cultures. Maybe you people belong to different cultures, different lifestyles, totally different places. Okay, um, country. If that's not the thing, a little bit regional cultures. Anything is there, but someone is, yes, um, or maybe someone is impressed by your culture or your whatever that is. The word I heard is like that. But you have Six of Cups energy. There's this strained or stressed um, connection, which is about that it doesn't go away. It's going in circles, but it's also someone who is going to connect with you from the past or recent past. Okay, I do feel that there's resurgence. Um, you might have felt in your recent or distant past that maybe even now that you need to go kind of like with your self war. Okay, SELFWAR. That I have to go, I have to do something. And then you just shut for a while for your sake. You stop yourself from saying that you wanted to so bad, but you didn't. Okay. And you did a lot, but then you like this. And here, I feel like someone, they cannot act in a certain way. And so that's why if they want to reconnect with you or renovate something with you, they need to bring kind of like, what's it, flower for the peace. Um, it's like olive branch. Let me talk about 12:12 recording time. This is the one, maybe your twin, a journey, but it's a. If people have this, if this is specially or specifically connected with the way past or history connects, that's major thing. It was a sour silence. Okay. Now we're going to see what, because in your present call, someone is going to arrive or approach, and yes, they may message you. They may message you. Page of Wands energy, we're going to take it because what is coming in here is supposed to be taken care of. Something need care here, and something has to do with the page. The action someone gonna do, and you're going to see it. Um, could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but not necessarily. Could be age difference. But this is someone you're going to hear suddenly, and it's going to feel new. Startling, but new, because that's what is, I feel, because they're desperate even to communicate with you. It's their will to come forth. So you may expect page from someone. Now, second ghost becomes your past as well, but we need to take care of some stuff. What? Some stuff. There is some stuff that is should be taken care of, or you're going to take care of. Knight of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But you see here, your energy is like, if I just take it as your energy, Aquarius, it's like, I want to cut this message off. I'm going to reply in a certain way, but you won't. Or you're not doing it. Because that's what I said, that you're keeping like, Mom, I feel like the things you want to say, you won't say. Because it's been long, first of all. Okay, and someone is just sending you the message and you're looking at it, and many things are going in your mind at the same time. It's like all at once. Many things that I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna say that. Now this could be totally new energy as well, because as I said, the second ghost becomes your past, and it depends where you're heading, what decision you are making, and you're totally on the go. Okay, and this is Nine of Pentacles at the bottom. I feel there's a communication for some of you, and this communication is going to let you be on a different journey of whatever you are wishing or thinking about. Okay, now because these are general readings, may not or may resonate, and for private you need to connect. But look, there's something different in this. There is very different communication. It's coming towards you. Okay? Yes. Someone wanting possible, or universe is providing you a beautiful new beginning here of some sort. Zero the fool. No complications. There's one thing particular, even if this person is going to try, is all about bringing peace, flower, lilies. Okay, like kind of like holding an olive branch to make peace with you. Okay, so we're going to use something. There's a confession coming. Someone is about to confess their true feelings to you. I'm having hiccups. Someone is around the corner to connect. Like your life is going to take turn. And now, you know what? I'm just going to show you this because I read something different in here, which is a psychic message, but something else is written. It's written the cold shoulder. But what I heard is this could be the one shoulder. Like, this could be the one. If you just see and look at this in a different light, like, I know this person is stressed. She's like doing this. But what I saw is like removing this, and I saw this one shoulder of a person could be the one, like, kind of. Okay. You Aquariuses, you're going to have a very, like, spilling the beans. It's one of the cards is here. It's like basically it's scattered, and the clarity is going to be to the point. Okay, because your journey is going to be coming as in like path or path unknown. Okay, now what's the card? It says that the path ahead in the relationship is uncertain yet hopeful. Something that you're going to start. What is coming? Give us the flips. Okay, there are two things. One, you're removing yourself from anything and going into no, saying no to bad influence, bad things that was not good and unhealthy for you. I also feel like someone over here is going to come out of bad influence of someone, and this person is going to connect with you. Like, they don't want to stay in, or they don't want to follow that path that they've been moving on. Okay, so you go here, bad influence. Someone is having a negative influence on your life. So is it like on your life? So yes, goes with the concept that you are saying no, denying, not visiting, revisiting. You're not doing anything, like you're on your go. Okay, you're not letting anyone influence your life. And if right now in your life there is something like that, you're not going to let anyone influence your life. Also, I do feel like someone having this phase, or someone having some bad influence, they're just, I don't know, this is a masculine energy who've been into a lot of bad influence. So if this is someone connected with the new entry in your life, okay, let me just focus. This is something connected with the bean of coffee bean. Okay, it's a single bean. This person is figuring out what to do. They've been observing you, and they've been into bad influence. Okay, but looking at you, it feels so different. Now, what kind of person you are. So they're going to message and talk with you. It's going to be new excitement. It's like basically ace in your life. I also feel like maybe something is connected with, as I said, 2 digit, 3 digit, and also A. Maybe it's two A's, or maybe two names with A's, or just an initial of A. A for apple, an apple. Maybe they're trying to say this is two A's, which is like an apple. It's going to be very precious, red, juicy, nice flavor of this new journey, this new talk. Okay, let's see, because there's communication definitely coming. I do feel that someone who got into bad influence and went away will try to connect with you. Is it like I heard Roman, but I also heard Roman numbers. So basically, they might be trying to convey that this is something a different timeline for you, in which you're going to different person, you're going to connect with someone. I said, so this is different timeline. When I said this, because usually we have something else on the watch, you like, and it's the hours, or it's 1 2 3, or in the hour time, but this is Roman. Okay, this is Roman. Something is there. Maybe something else also. Okay, there was someone with a, I just heard poker face. It's not a poker face card, but I still heard that. And someone who was never showing what they truly felt. So, attachment issues. Someone who had bad influence, someone got into something, went on their journey, and all that stuff, or someone not connected with you. Two things, right? And then also their life was in bad influence, or they chose some things, and then they figured it out. Oh, that's not where I want to be. That's not the influence I want to be in. Because people go in for a change. They learn from their things, explorations, and mistakes, and error, and everything. Someone attachment issue. Maybe there was attachment issue with you, and they were not ready, and they had those issues. Okay, you had that I need this kind of attachment, but they were on a different track, different road, and they weren't ready, they were never aware about, maybe they were immature and not experienced, whatever their road took them to different place or places. Issues of attachment, either excessive or fearful, may arise. So now here you go, maybe it was a fear of that this may, so they just stop. Now I have something in my mind, that what is exactly coming. Maybe you're right now dealing as well with someone who is having attachment issues. Clearing the air. I just had something like this. Okay, I think like they want me to take this card. Clearing up misunderstandings through communication. I just am reading with you, like together, the bottom message. But the thing here is like, looking at this, clearing the air, I just felt as if like someone is changing the telephone cord, or some system, or something in mind, and some pattern. Okay, and communication is here. Look at this. You people are going to cross paths. And what it is saying is clearing up misunderstandings. And people who have misunderstandings is those are not talking, and history is there. Okay, some sort of connection was there through communication. Definitely, it's coming. I feel like windows opening. Signal will be said and done. Window, notification, message, page. It's coming. Okay, it's very interesting because something happened, and there was this cold shoulder. Now this time I'm reading it right away. What is the cold shoulder? Now this can happen to anyone, but there's a female going out away. The male energy is behind her, but as of like they're saying something and she doesn't want to hear. Something is or was bad. I'm sorry for my speech here. Someone is deliberately distancing themselves, hiding dissatisfaction. So whoever did or what was, there was a cold shoulder. Definitely. I think they want me to stop. But there could be a love triangle. That was the last card that I saw. Yeah. Someone betrayed someone or got involved and it was never dating with you. Whatever the situation was, someone was not truthful. Hidden emotional entanglement is present. Definitely. Okay. Take care and see you soon. And bye bye.